after we finish recording our macro, now we want to take advantage of the Quick Access Toolbar and assign that macro that we just created in the last exercise to a button in the Quick Access Toolbar. Let's take a look on how we get this accomplished. So here we are in a blank workbook. It makes a little difference. We're going to come up to our Quick Access Toolbar and click the drop down over here where it says Customize Quick Access Toolbar. We're going to come down to More Commands. And when I click this, it opens up my Excel options dialog box, but I'm down here on the Quick Access Toolbar tab, as it were. Now under here where it says choose commands from, right now it has popular commands that it's displaying. We're going to click the drop down here and go to macros, because that's what we just created. And there it is. We're going to find it right here. I'm going to click it one time and then I'm going to come down and click add. And when I do, I'll see that it appears at the bottom list of everything that's in my Quick Access Toolbar here. It's kind of going down there. So if it's at the bottom, which means it'll be at the far right of my Quick Access Toolbar. Now before I click OK, I'm going to come and modify this because this name is just too long and confusing. So I'm going to come down here where it says display name. I'm going to click inside here and then just select everything before the text where it says name and date. And I'm just going to remove it and leave it at that. Now from here I have a list of little icons I can choose from. So you're welcome to choose the one that you like. I'll choose this little colorful butterfly for now, and then I click OK. When I do, it gives me a little preview of what it's going to look like in my Quick Access Toolbar, as you can see here. From there I'm going to click OK, and then Shazam, there it is. There's my little colorful butterfly. Now let's test it out. I'm here on sheet 1. It's just a blank worksheet. I'm going to click this and see what it does. And Shazam, look at that. It added my name and the date that we recorded in that last macro. Now I can see I need to do a mild adjustment here, so maybe I'll double click the row header so that they kind of fit in there nicely. Well, from there I can adjust it however I see fit. Otherwise, that's all there is to it. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you in the next exercise. Thanks.